What's up, everybody? It's Kelsee Briana J here with a holiday look. And in this look, I used a lot of Pat McGrath products because Pat McGrath products scream holiday. It's like, choose me, pick me. So I wanted to do something using traditional holiday colors. I have the gold popping, the green pop of color here, and of course the bold red lip. But I thought this was a super fun look to do, very festive. You can wear this with your family, you can wear it to parties, and it's just a look that just makes you stand out in the crowd, and your makeup speaks for itself. So let's go ahead and jump into the video, and I will walk you through step by step on how to create this beautiful look. Enjoy! So I'm first going to go in with the Bronze Ambition palette. I'm going to use this palette in conjunction with the other palette. So I already have on some concealer. This is just a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just going to make sure that it's blended out. Nothing else is on my lid. But I'm first going to dip into this color. This one is Throwing Shade. I am going to take this back and forth in my crease. If you all have never used Pat McGrath eyeshadows, know that they are very pigmented. You do not need a lot. So whatever is on that first dip, that is what I'm going to go in with and go back and forth. This is going to be both my crease color and my transition color. So I'm just applying the majority of the color here directly in the crease, and whatever is left over, I'm going to take that on the brush and begin to drag it upwards. Next, I'm going to go to the big boy, the Sublime Palette, and I'm going to take the same brush and dip into the color Dark. Now with this color, I am going to apply it on the very outer corner and then lightly begin to bring it up towards the crease. I'm going to initially apply it using this brush to get that good blend going. So right here is where I applied the majority of the color, and then with no additional products, I began to run my brush back and forth just to intensify that crease. Next, I'm going to use a Bdellium Tools 773 flat shader brush. I am going to dip back into the Bronze Ambition palette. This one is called Guilt Trip, but you just want to take a very little bit of this and take it right underneath the brow. And when I say little bit, I mean it. I knew I got too much. These eyeshadows are so pigmented, but just a little bit just to brighten up underneath that brow, and then make sure you blend it downwards. Now I'm going to go back into the Sublime palette, and I am going to take the color Bronze 005 with the same brush. I am very carefully going to begin to start applying that in the center of the lid. Make sure to tap it next to the brown and then bring it up towards the crease and tap it on the edge of where that crease ends. Because I want that gold to be so metallic and popping, I'm actually going to go in with a mixing medium. This is liquid sugar based by the brand Eye Candy. I'm going to drop a few droplets of that. I'm going to dip my brush into this and then dip my brush back into my eyeshadow. And then I'm going to apply this in the same manner that I did before, but keep it super concentrated where I already have it applied to intensify and foil this eyeshadow. So maybe like 1 or 2 dips and you'll get it to be foiled. Next, I'm going to dip into the Sublime Skin Highlighting Trio, and I'm going to use this palette for my inner tear ducts highlight. Same brush, and I'm going to take Fine Gold 003. Pop that right on the inner corner. So I'm going to go in with that same color with a more detailed brush. This is a Tom Ford number 15 brush. I am going to pop this same color right on the inner corner on the bottom. Same brush, I just wiped it off. I'm going to go back into the Sublime palette, and I'm going to take Blitz Emerald. And I'm going to go back again with the liquid sugar. Same technique, dripping some down in my Petri dish, and I'm going to pick it up and foil the eyeshadow and apply it to the rest of the lower lash line. And once you have this applied, go ahead and buff it downwards with no additional products, just to buff it out, but this is about what I want it to look like. Okay, so I applied my liner and lashes. I will have the details of what I used down below. I don't have on any top liner. I feel like the lash band is thick enough to kind of substitute as both. So I'm going to go in with the highlighter palette again and mix this color and this color. This one is Bronze Nectar and this one is Fine Gold. This is a Royal and Langnickel BOM 41 brush. So I am just going to apply that to the tops of my cheeks. This is going to be my highlight. I'm gonna go back with Fine Gold just to intensify that. And I'm gonna take a little bit down the center of my nose. So now let's go ahead and apply our blush. I'm gonna take Chanel Elegance. This is a Smith 154 brush. And let's finish off our look and apply our lips. I'm gonna go in first with MAC Cherry Lip Liner. And for lipstick, I'm going to take Pat McGrath Elson. Alright guys, so here's the final look. I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial of me using primarily Pat McGrath products. Any product that I did not mention in the video, I will have it linked down below in my description box. Shopping through my links helps to support my channel. Or if you don't feel comfortable shopping through my links, you can always feel free to Google it. But I have all of the details down there. If you all have these products and you choose to recreate this look, make sure you tag me if you take any pictures and you post them anywhere. My name is Kelsee Briana J on all platforms. But I hope that you all like this look. I hope that it gets you inspired to play with your makeup during this holiday season. I know a lot of people have free time, so now is the time to pull out those palettes, pull out those products that you've been having, and just play. So if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will talk to you all in my very next one, which will be super, super soon. Smooches. Bye.